Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is November 18th when I'm recording this, and we just had our third stock reach 100% gain from our entry. So we're having a really good time. I want to show you that. But before we get there, how about we come over here and let you guys know that we're having a Black Friday sale. It's 30% off pretty much anything store-wide. I'm sure there are a few exceptions, but if you guys are interested in getting into the Moxie room, or if you are already in the Moxie room and want to extend it, this is a good way to extend it for a little bit less money. So come up here to simplertrading.com/flash sale. And it is BFS Black Friday Sale 30 will be the discount code. So come on over here, talk to our customer support, and we'll make sure you guys get hooked up for that. Okay, so let's take a look at HNST. This is now our third stock that has gone 100%, and we might be just a touch over 100%. Yeah, right there you can see 102%, almost 103% since we originally got in. So we actually took some profits on this because this thing is just so sky high. It could keep going, but you know, when you get up like this, it's always kind of a good thing to take some off, and so we did. We cashed in some profits at 100%. We had leveraged Tesla that went 100%. We had Reddit that went well over 100%, and then the other one that we have just getting close to 100% is our BitX, which is our leveraged ETF of Bitcoin, and we're sitting here at about 81%. So that is another one that, you know, we'll have to see where it goes. It's getting a little bit stretched, so I wouldn't be surprised if it pulls back first before going higher, but you know, crazier things have happened. So that one is like nipping on the toes of a double. And then, yeah, we've got quite a few other names that are looking pretty good that we're in. And let me show you. So SPX, we had a bit of a rebound today, and I figured that was going to happen because, you know, on Friday the market got pulled down pretty hard and really just went right to the daily 21 and the previous high. So that made a lot of sense that, yeah, that was going to be a target and also probably was going to bounce. So let me show you the couple of trades that we took today. We got right here, we got 90, I think it was 95% and then 140%. So I think it was $6.40 we got here. You can see just about 95% right there on our first half exit. So we like to take some profit right there. It did pull back. And then you can see up here, we got the other one here at about 130%, you know, give or take, something like that. It did go up about 200%, but that was like the very end of this. And you can see part of the reason why I was just like, you know, this looks pretty good is because, yes, it went up higher, but look at how quickly this thing goes down when it finally gives it up. And so it's a little hard to be able to tell when this is a pullback that's going to go higher versus this is an implosion. So yeah, with these 0DT things, especially if you're buying it, you got to be kind of quick. Now, so that was our pretty good one. We got 95 and 130%. And then I put on a call credit spread. And I got to admit, I chickened myself out of this one. We took just the tiniest loss, about 10% loss. And honestly, this one would have worked out. We would have had a 100% gain on this one. So we could have had a plus 250 something percent day. If I just had a little bit more guts to stick with this one. But it was we put on our here, we sold the call credit spread here on the 5900, and everything was doing great like this, and then it spiked up like that, and I was like, ooh, am I not seeing something? This shouldn't be kind of quite like this. You know, I was happy to have it come down, maybe come up a little bit, and basically do this kind of thing. But when you get such a sudden move like that, you kind of need to step back a little bit, like, am I seeing what I'm seeing and not missing something? And so I was like, that doesn't look too good. So let me get out. But lo and behold, it would have worked. You can see here it did stay underneath the 50 SMA on the 2-minute, and it continued to stay underneath that all day long, and you can see it would have expired worthless, and so that would have been 100%. So you know, you can't get them all, but the process was still there. Everything was pretty good. Sometimes they take a little bit of a zig when you're expecting to zag, but you know what, we had a really good trade this morning, and we cashed in 100% on HNST. And then, you know, looking at this, we're having some really good trades with some other names, and even Tesla, we're still on our leveraged ETF. This one had a nice pop up this morning. That one's looking great. And we're also in AFRM as another biggie. This one is on its way. So I think we're here, and about here it's, you know, about 26% up. So yeah, we'll see how long this one's going to go for. But this is a really good market. I hope you guys are participating. I hope you are aggressive on this, because this is the time that we really need to be, you know, stepping up with this market. And if you guys have questions or you're struggling a little bit, come on over. As you saw, we're running a coupon, a special for Black Friday. This is the perfect time to get in because, hey, always take a coupon, right? So yeah, come on over here, simplertrading.com/flash sale, and we'll see you guys over there. Thanks again. We'll see you at the next one. Take care.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.